Welcome again to today's class. This day we want to see measures of central tendency of group data. Okay, in the video before we were able to see introduction to statistics, introduction to measures of central tendency of group data, and also we also saw how to solve word problem on measures of central tendency, especially on the mean. Now, this video will concentrate on group data aspect of measures of central tendency. Now, as you watch this video, please don't forget to click subscribe so that you get subsequent part of this video. Now, also click like button as you enjoy it. Want to go to the question. Now, before you solve questions on measures of central tendency under group data, you must know this table. Class interval, class mark, frequency, frequency times class mark, relative frequency, cumulative frequency, and class boundaries. Now, how do you go about to solve this? First of all, you must know the formula for mean. Mean equal to summation of fx all over summation of f. Then, median equal to, you can call median 50th percentile, 50th percentile, second quartile, or 50th decile. Then, this median can be gotten with formula or using formula method and can be gotten graphically. Under graphically, you get median by plotting an ogive graph, ogive or cumulative frequency graph, cumulative frequency against class boundaries. Now, once you plot this graph, it will go this way. Well, after plotting it, remember this is called ogive graph. Now, after plotting this graph, get your 50 times n all over. Get your 50 times n all over 100. Whatever this value will give you, come and trace it on the curve. Trace it down and get the value. That will be your median graphically. Once you extrapolate this value, that is your answer. Now, using formula method, median is LM plus lower class boundary of the median class, lower class boundary of the median class, plus class width all over frequency of the median class, bracket total frequency over 2 minus summation of frequency before the median class, where LM equal to lower class boundary of median class. Then C equal to class width. Class width, that is, class width gotten by upper class boundary minus lower class boundary. Then Fm is frequency of the median class. Capital N equal to total frequency. Summation of Fb equals to sum of frequency before median class. Okay, so this is how to get it. Now, what is the formula for mode? Mode is the highest frequency occurrence. Mode can be gotten by formula using where change in 1 equal to difference between frequency of the modal class and frequency before it. Change in 2 means difference between frequency of modal class and frequency after it. Okay? Now we go to question. Remember that mode can be gotten graphically as well by plotting a histogram graph. Graph of frequency against class boundary. That is a histogram graph. This is histogram graph. So once you start plotting it, after plotting the graph, use your meter rule, connect the edge with the highest point of the rectangle with the lower one, connect their edge. So after connecting it, their point of intersection, trace it to the what? X-axis. Trace it down and extrapolate the value. The value will be your mode. Extrapolate your value. That value will be your mode. So mode is gotten from histogram using graph, and median is gotten from using OGIF of cumulative frequency graph. Now we go to filling of this table. Our class intervals are 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59. Your class mark means add the two class intervals divided by 2. 20 plus 24, 44 divided by 2, 22, 27, 32, 37. This plus divided by 2, 42, 47, 52, 57. So add the two class intervals divided by 2. Your frequencies are 30, 12, 5, 14, 11, 9, 13, 6. Then fx means f times x, frequency times class mark. This times is 660, this times is 324. So this times is 160, this times is 518, this time 42 times 11 is 462. 47 times 9, 423. 52 times 13, that is 676. And 57 times 6, that is 342. Now what you do, get your total frequency. Your total frequency is 100 from information they gave to us. Fs, add it up. Fs, 660 plus 324 plus 160 plus 518 plus 462 plus 423 plus 676 plus 342. That will be giving you 3,565. Now, relative frequency means frequency over total frequency. That is 30 over 100, 12 over 100, 5 over 100, 14 over 100, 11 over 100, 9 over 100, 13 over 100, 6 over 100. Now, cumulative frequency. The first cumulative frequency is 30. 30 plus 12, 42. 42 plus 5, 47. 47 plus 14, 61. 61 plus 11, 72. 72 plus 9, 81. 81 plus 13, 94. 94 plus 6, 100. So the last value of a cumulative frequency will be your total frequency. Now, class boundary. That is another point we want to learn. How do we get the class boundaries? Now, we will get it from the class intervals. The class interval given to us is 20 to what? 24. Mind you that 20 is something as writing 20 points. 24 is something as writing 24 points. So what do? When you have 20 points, when you write 20 points, then use 0 to replace the numbers you are seeing. 0 to replace 2, 0 to replace 0, you put point. No other number you can see, you put 5. 0.5 simply means 0.5. That means use 0.5, subtract it from 20, 19.5, add it to 24, 24.5. But the question is it only 0.5 that you will add or subtract? No, it can be any value. Let's see other values you can get. Assuming the class intervals are 1 to 1.99, 2 to. Assuming the class intervals are 1.00 to 1.99, 2.00 to 2.99, etc. Look at what you will use to subtract and add. You say 1.00. Use 0 to replace everything you are seeing. 0.00. No other thing you are seeing, you now put 5. Therefore, it means subtract 0.005. Subtract 0.005 plus from 1 and add 0.005 to this. That will be giving you 0.995. 1.00 minus this, 0.995. 1.99 plus this, that will be giving you 1.995. So this will be the class boundary when you have this. Okay? So 0.995 to 1.995. The second one, 1.995 to 2.995, and so on. So it is not only 0 point that you can add or subtract, you can add any number depending on what you derive, as I showed on the board. Now, here we have 24.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 34.5. So just be subtracting 0.5 and be adding 0.5. 34.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 44.5, okay, 44.5 to 49.5, then 49.5 to 54.5, 54.5 to 59.5. Okay, that is it. Now we come to our formula. For mean, you say summation of fx all over summation of f. That will be giving you, what is summation of fx? 3565. Summation of f 100. That will be giving you 35.65. Your mean is 35.65. What is your median? For you to get your median, you first of all get your n over 2. For you to get your median, first of all get your n over 2. N over 2 will be giving me total frequency over 2. 100 over 2, that is 50th percentile. 50th position. 50th position. So, what do we mean by 50th position? Come to the board, go to frequency, be adding to get where you will get 50. 30 plus this, 42. 42 plus 5, 47. 47 plus number here will now give you 50. 54 on this class. Since 54 on this class, because we have 50 and above it, we stop at 47, so 54 on this class. It means that lower class boundary will be 34.5. You say median equal to 34.5 plus, what is your class width? Your class width means upper class boundary minus lower class boundary. Your class width will be giving you 5. Class width equal to 5. Because 24.5 minus 19.5 is 5. So plus 5 all over. What is frequency of the median class? Frequency is 14. bracket any over 2 mean 50 minus summation of frequency before the median class 30 plus this 42 plus this 47. So total frequency before the median class is 47. You write 47. So our answer will be 34.5 plus 50 minus this 3 times is 15 over 4. So once you press this in your calculator, your median will be 35.57. So the age years, since they said it is on age, about age. Now we go for mode. Mode, highest frequency occurrence. What is the highest frequency? 30. The first row will be your modal class. Now mode LM, that is 19.5 plus what is our C? 5 bracket change in 1 mean 30 minus. Do we have frequency before 30? No. 30 minus nothing. 30 all over 30 plus 30 minus 12, that is the frequency after it. 30 minus 12 is 18. Then that will give you 19.5 plus 5 times 30, 150. All over 30 plus 18, 48. When you sort this out, when you sort it out, it will be giving you 22.625 years. So that is how to get your mean-median mode of group data. Okay? Thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to click like button and subscribe as you watch it. Thank you. See you in the next class on this statistics, because we want to go into measures of dispersion. See the next topic on measures of dispersion.